Xiaomi is introducing a new 11T Pro with a new 12GB option. Let's have a look at the features of this smartphone. The smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm's SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G chipset, which is one of the most recent chipsets on the market. The new Xiaomi 11T Pro handset is powered of a 2.84 GHz octa-core processor to give the chipset additional power. The smartphone display is a large 6.7-inch screen that users will enjoy using. The Xiaomi 11T Pro will boast an AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with a full HD resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. Corning Gorilla Glass Vitis is used to protect the screen on this device. In addition, this handset has an Adreno 660 GPU. And also it has 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This phone has a triple camera arrangement on the rear, with a main sensor of 108 megapixels, and other toe sensor is 8 plus 5 megapixels. The selfie camera on this phone is 16 megapixels. The upcoming new smartphone will use Android 11 as its operating system. The phone has a side-mounted fingerprint reader. The phone's battery is also quite large. The LiPo non-removable 5000 mAh battery of the 11T Pro provides enough backup time, and the smartphone supports 120-watt fast charging. What are your thoughts on this phone? Please leave comments below. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell icon to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.